Hi guys, چطورین؟ Welcome to Reyhoon Paz. Since Ramazan is here, طاعات و عباداتتون مقبول در گاه حق. I was trying to use a Persian sentence that I noticed is all Arabic. Anyway, Reyhoon came up with this idea to introduce ferni of top 2 popular desserts in Ramazan and all the time. You need cold milk, rice flour, sugar, rosewater, cardamom powder, a pan. Okay, since you don't like and subscribe, mix the dry ingredients, add cold milk and stir to dissolve sugar and rice flour. If you like thin, add more milk, and if you like dense, add more rice flour. As you can see, it would have been much better if Reyhoon had used a small pot instead of unveiling her new pan. Show off. Do you remember? And stir. And stir. Just keep going, you can do it. You can't. Leave the scene. Let's make room for the legends. You're a legend! This dessert is one of the most popular desserts in Ramazan. In addition, it is nutritious and healthy food for babies. Also, eating this dessert can help with dry throat. Ferni can be served cold in hot season and hot in cold season. In winter, some shops in Iran offer hot ferni to customers. Okay, got thicker. Pros coming. Add rosewater. It's better to serve ferni in single dishes to be used in one step. Otherwise, the ferni will melt. It's as simple as it gets, and it's also very quick. That works for lazy people like me. Enjoy your dessert.